Shut your mouth. I didn't ask you to speak. Shut your mouth. You're fucking weak. Who gave you permission to open your lips? Running your mouth on these power trips. I control when you talk, when you breathe, when you move. Got nothing to say, then you got nothing to prove. Silence is golden when I say so. Open your mouth only when I let go. You don't speak unless I give the green light. Shut your mouth and get it right. Words are privilege, it's not your right. Earn through silence, not through fight. I'm the authority here. Understand your voice exists in my command. Sip it, lock it, throw away the key. Your words mean nothing without me. Permission denied, request rejected. Your silence expected. My approval first. Speak without asking, that's the worst. I shut you down faster than you can blink. You don't have permission to even think how loud that is. Keep it inside. Your thoughts are yours, but your voice is mine to guide. Shut your mouth before I shut it for you. That's not a threat, that's what I'll do. Did I ask for your opinion? No. Did I request your input? No. Do I care what you think? Absolutely fucking not. So shut your mouth. You talk too much, way too much. Every word without my touch of approval. Your vocal removal is critical. Your silence not optional, it's pivotal. I say jump, you say how high. I say quiet, you comply. I say speak, then you may talk. I say stop, then you walk away. Lesson learned, I'm in control here. Your voice is mine to keep mirror clear. Shut your mouth is not a suggestion. It's a command, not up for question. I dominate this conversation space. Know your place, embrace your place. Below me, beneath me, under my rules. Shut your mouth or be the fool. Talking back, that's not allowed. Speaking up, not in this crowd. Your voice belongs to me now. Shut your mouth and take a bow. Shut your mouth. I'm in control of the south, north, east, and west. Shut your mouth. I'll face the test. I say when. I say how. Shut your mouth. tired of the chase. What difference does it make? It's a bittersweet taste. I would take begging over greed, and if it was up to me, you'd be all I ever need. This life is gonna buy me nothing. Without you it feels so numbing. Cause I don't need pockets when they're deep, and they're talking when it's cheap. It's a hell you call a dream.